Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset a first alert smoke alarm properly. So if your alarm keeps chirping, flashing lights won't stop, or the detector still beeps even after replacing the battery, this quick reset process can usually fix this particular problem. So first of all, you need to start by removing all the power from the first alert smoke alarm. If it is battery powered model, you can remove the batteries completely. If it is a hardwired alarm, you just have to simply turn off the breaker and disconnect the backup battery as well. Now you just have to simply press and hold the test or the silence button, which is this particular button over here, for at least about 15 to 30 seconds. This is also going to clear the leftover electrical charge that is stored inside the alarm, and it will also reset the temporary error status that often cause the continuous chirping and the flashing lights. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.